Have you ever dreamt of working in the United Kingdom? Perhaps you've imagined a bustling life in London or a serene existence in the Scottish Highlands. Well, you're not alone. Every year, thousands of people from around the globe make the leap to work in the UK. But how do they do it? What's the secret? Today we're here to demystify the process of obtaining a UK work visa in 2024. We'll break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. So whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-timer, you'll find this guide invaluable. Step 1. Determine your eligibility. The UK offers several types of work visas, each with its own set of requirements. Some of the most common include the skilled worker visa, the intra-company transfer visa, and the health and care worker visa. Step 2. Gather your documents. This typically includes your passport, proof of English language skills, bank statements, and a certificate of sponsorship from your UK employer. Step 3. Apply online. The UK government has a user-friendly website where you can submit your application. Just follow the prompts and you'll be done in no time. Step 4. Pay the application fee. The cost varies depending on the type of visa, but it usually ranges from £200 to £1,000. Step 5. Attend a biometric appointment. This involves providing fingerprints and a digital photo at a visa application center near you. Step 6. Wait for your decision. The UK government typically takes around 3 weeks to process work visa applications, so sit tight. And there you have it, the UK work visa application process in 6 simple steps. Remember, the key to a successful application is preparation. Make sure you meet the eligibility requirements, gather all your documents, and follow the application process to the letter. To summarize, the journey to obtaining a UK work visa involves determining your eligibility, gathering your documents, applying online, paying the application fee, attending a biometric appointment, and waiting for your decision. It might seem a bit daunting at first, but with a little patience and persistence, you can make your dream of working in the UK a reality. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this guide has made the UK work visa application process a little less mysterious. Remember, the world is full of opportunities. All you need to do is reach out and grab them. Until next time, safe travels and good luck with your application.